I want to talk about morality, and specifically I want to talk about the immoral justification for tort reform. It's just not the right thing to do. It's not right for families in Arkansas, and it really comes down to what we value, the morals that we value. But let me back up and tell you a quick little story. Something that, as a medical malpractice attorney, that I can tell you from my experience is that most medical malpractice incidents happen because nursing homes, hospital corporations are cutting corners. Maybe they're trying to not have as many nurses on staff and save money that way. Maybe they're not wanting to order that MRI, right, so that they can save money. Those are the kind of really disgusting moral decisions, immoral decisions that some of these companies make that sometimes create medical malpractice. And why do they do that? Well, because we live in a capitalistic society and they are prizing profits over human life, right? Profits are more important to big corporations than human life. Of course that's true. They have to honor their stockholders and make sure that their profits are high. So that trickles down all the way down to treatment decisions and staffing decisions. That's immoral, and you know that, and I know that, and most importantly, usually juries know that. But insurance companies and hospital corporations and nursing homes, they don't care. They're here to make profit. I understand that. And by the way, it's okay. But they don't deserve to have special rules at the courthouse. And that's where this immoral justification for tort reform comes in. Because think about it, when they put damage caps on these cases, when they create caps on attorney's fees to make sure that you can't even find a lawyer to take your case in the first place, what does that mean? That means that insurance companies and nursing home conglomerates and hospital corporations save money because they're not held accountable at the courthouse when they maim people or hurt people or kill people. Instead of maybe a $500,000 verdict that a jury thinks is a fair and reasonable award based on the negligence that they see, it's capped at $250,000. Man, what a great way to increase profits. Increasing profits at the cost of human life, at the cost of human quality of life. It's just immoral, and it's not right. And not only does it impair your constitutional rights, but it forces Arkansas to be immoral, to do the wrong thing just to help corporations. These rich corporations have more and more profit. Please tell your friends, ask your church members, please remind them of this vote coming up in November. It's issue number 4. You're going to vote for president, you're going to vote for your congresspeople, you're going to vote for some other issues on this ballot, but this one is important to you. And you may not know it yet because you don't have a medical malpractice claim today, but you might 5 years from now. And this law, you will have to live with it until you leave Arkansas one day. Please tell your family and friends, vote no.